All right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Justin Clark here. How's everybody doing? As you come on, if you'd like to just let me know if you're watching this live or on a replay, and let me know where you're tuning in from. I always like to see where people are catching these from around the world. Going to do a morning market analysis, pretty quick one today. It's the weekend. Usually not a lot of drama or things going on that are too crazy on the weekend. Although there are some coins that are blowing up for us that are great trading. Drift USD, what is it, DS or something like that? I don't know. The software finds all this stuff for us, which is great. It just sends us the notifications. So I want to take a look at Bitcoin, though. Bitcoin is, as we like to say, a big bully. Whatever Bitcoin's doing, the rest of the market tends to do. Right now, it's been pumping up. So some of the altcoins have been blowing up, which is great, provides some great volatility and volume. But obviously when it dumps, the crypto market dumps as well. So we want to try to stay on top of that and what's happening. For those who are watching this presentation and want to get these right to you when they happen and I go live, by the way, I made it just under the wire to do a morning market analysis today. You can follow me on Facebook. You can subscribe to us on YouTube, and definitely make sure you drop a comment, drop a like, drop a heart on these just to support our efforts in our channel here. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen over here, and we're going to take a look at Bitcoin and what is going on. And then we will go from there. Here we go. This is the one I want to share. Okay, great. So I'm going to be looking at what's called the MA momentum chart setup in our trading portal. I don't know why I got so many of these open. And for those who are in iCoinPro that want to learn about this chart, you can just go over here to my iCoinPro training, and all you're going to need to do is just select Micro Profit System Part 3. This is kind of a standalone trading module you can do. And right here, number 5 is MA Momentum. You can really do that at any time, okay? For those who are new, I will just share this really quickly. We do have a free trading bootcamp you can do. Listen, if you have any questions or any doubts at all about whether you can actually trade and make it work for you, do our bootcamp. It takes you 40 minutes. You will absolutely have total confidence that you can do this by the time you're done that. And it's totally free. So if somebody shared this video with you, get back with that person. If you don't know who shared the video with you, or you have any questions, go to support or shoot an email to support@icoinpro.com. They'll be more than happy to connect you with somebody if you do not have a refer, or they can find out who actually referred you. All right. So always a good option to contact support. So again, Trading Bootcamp is there. And then we have a 1-week course once you complete that bootcamp where you can actually learn how to trade with our system. We've been around since 2017, so we're not the new kids on the block at all. I have been outperforming Bitcoin since September 2019 when I perfected this system. So it's something anybody can learn how to do and have just great success. So let's go over here. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. This is our software. We have built this software portal from the ground up. Nobody else has all this. It tracks, it is the all-seeing eye of crypto. We know everything that's going on, exactly when it's happening. And what's so cool is it pushes notifications right to your smartphone, like these, all right? And you can see these as soon as they come out in real time. You get these notifications, and it is really, really cool. You can see them all here on my phone, a little small, but they come right to your phone. So anything that's going on in crypto, we know the instant that it's happening and what are the hot coins to trade and what are not. Okay, so right now, quick explanation. When the market is trading above all of these little lines here, these are called moving averages, MA momentum. That is positive. Right now, we have a pretty good looking setup. Again, anything can change, but from a technical standpoint, we're starting to see some trading above all of the moving averages. That means that we are potentially moving into a bullish type of situation. Maybe we can look at maybe trading into a higher trading range, potentially. I don't know if that's going to happen. I'm not offering any type of investment advice. We deal in potential here, right? What are the probabilities? All right. So as long as we continue this upward momentum, and in particular, continue to trade above this light purple moving average, that is good. Okay. That's potentially good. Means that we are possibly going to do some bullish kind of undulations. And if we keep doing that, we could see a bigger spike upward, all right, in price. Now, if we don't, and we come back and we retest 71, 70K, around there, we can't hold on to that, and we drop through that. That's not really great. Might not be the end of the world, but definitely would cause some really big dips in the altcoins, which would be great trading for us. But if that happens, then that wouldn't be good. We've got to get through about 77, 78K. That's the next hurdle, excuse me, on the upside. So we got to get through that. That's the next big hurdle there. But on the downside, we've got to keep trading above 70, 71,000 to keep the bulls excited. If we lose that, then we're looking at about 66, 65,000. All right. And if we lose that, then we've got 60, 61 below that. Okay. These are kind of the key levels here that we are looking at. Last line of defense of the bull run is this purple moving average here. So we got about 58, 59K on that. But for today, pretty much we're just looking at, getting above 77, 78, trading above there, or for a potential retrace, staying above 71, 72, 70K, right in that area. We got to stay above those to keep everybody happy. All right. But overall, looking pretty good. Got some really good volume here on these moves. Everybody was excited after Trump got elected because he's crypto friendly now. So I think that caused a good surge. So we're going to have to just see. We'll take it one day at a time. The only other thing I just want to take a quick peek at is the longs and shorts. So this is interesting. So the longs here, we look at it on Binance. This is through blockchainwhispers.com. They just pull the data directly from Binance. But a long is somebody who's betting that Bitcoin is going up, usually with leverage, which means it's risky trading. They can blow out their account. Okay. Shorts are people betting Bitcoin is going to go down, usually with leverage. Again, when you start doing leverage, it means you're borrowing money to exaggerate your wins and exaggerate your losses. So if you've ever heard of people zeroing out an account, blowing out a trading account, that's because of leverage or options or stuff like that. Okay. We don't teach that here. Everything we do, we focus on proper risk management. We like to see our traders, over time, increasing our balances over and over again, year in, year out. We have people who have been trading successfully with the system for years. So you won't really hear about people blowing out their accounts over here. All right. Trading always involves risk. Don't get me wrong. Read all the disclaimers. I'll put one up at the end, but we try to manage that risk. And what's amazing is we buck the trend. I mean, 95% of people lose money in trading. We are way above that with our trading system. So we have long-term traders that have been making money for a long time. You just have to learn the system, do the 1-week course, and plug into the software. So with all of that said here, what's interesting is these shorts are getting high. If we get to over 70% here, we can potentially set up for what's called a short squeeze. And if these shorts keep climbing higher and higher, and this price action here keeps creeping higher and higher, yeah, we could set up for what's called a short squeeze, which would squeeze all of these people betting Bitcoin is going to go down out of the market en masse, and that can cause a dramatic rise in the price. So we'll just have to keep an eye on that and see if that happens. Once they get a little bit more normal, that's better. But the good news is we're just in a good normal place for us to trade as traders. So pretty much business as usual for us, with a slight possibility of maybe some exciting upward movement, but I don't see that happening just yet. Could happen again, but usually we'll see this go over 70%, and then that could potentially occur. So that's where we're at on that. Pretty much business as usual. As far as trading, oh my gosh, man, we got some crazy, awesome coins right now. Definitely Drift USD is amazing right now to trade. We've got Swell is also amazing to trade. SD was pretty hot. We were rocking that for a bit, maybe a little GST in here, but definitely Drift and Swell are awesome. And what's so cool is our software is going to be tracking those. As soon as trades set up and happen, we're going to get our notifications, and they'll just come right to your mobile phone. So Drift and Swell are the ones to trade right now that are super, super hot, in my opinion. All right, not invest in. I'm not offering investing advice. I'm talking about trading the dips and trading in and out with our system. So with that said, that's everything that I've got here today. Everybody have a nice Saturday. We'll see if we continue to get some good movement here on this Saturday. And I think this upcoming week could be pretty exciting. We're going to keep an eye on those longs and shorts, and the potential for that short squeeze and a bigger bump up in price could be in the cards this week. So we'll just have to see what happens. All right, everybody, take care. Have a wonderful weekend, and I'll probably see you tomorrow. Bye-bye, everybody.